Hey guys, Chmelaeon.com here, doing a review for the ViewTV Amplified HDTV antenna. This is a paper-thin digital indoor HDTV antenna with the latest creative antenna technology. It has a range of 65 miles, it has free view channels, and it goes in full HD up to 1080p, 1080i, 720p, and has multiple installation positions. It is AT-SC compatible. And what else we got in this thing? Here's the front view. It comes with a 3M adhesive. You can stick it on the wall, lay it flat on a table, stick it to a window, whatever you want to do. And you can also redesign the surface to whatever you want without destroying the antenna. Here's someone drawing some crazy stuff on there. It includes an antenna with a coaxial cable of 10 feet, one power insert, a power adapter of 110 volts, manual, 3 stickers, USB cable, and antenna. Here's all this. And here are the instructions on how to actually install the antenna. So this clips in to this antenna, and this thing is extremely thin, like paper thin. Pardon the dust. And it comes with this powered adapter, so you plug that in there. It also has 2 setup settings, so it can go straight into a TV and the power adapter, or it can go into a digital STB. So you have those options as well. Pretty good product. Dig it. Amazon link below to buy this thing. And be sure to check out Chmelaeon.com because we have tens of thousands of electronic pieces of gear, everything from charging cords all the way to digital Wi-Fi antennas. That is all. Chmelaeon.com is out.